how to enable angle snapping mouse in Windows. So in order to use this feature, firstly go to the link that we have provided in the description, and from there click on the latest version and you will be redirected to this tab. And from here select the interaction.zip file and the zip file will be downloaded, and after that extract the zip file and go to interaction. From here go to driver and select the driver install file, and the file will be installed. And after that go to your browser again and download Microsoft Visual C++. That's for download Microsoft Visual C++ on your browser and open the Microsoft website. And if you have 32-bit operating system, you can choose into 86 version or the middle one, and if you have 64-bit version, you can select the last option. Click on the option and the file will be downloaded, and after that install the Visual C++ and restart your computer again. And after restarting your computer, go to the extracted files and select 64-bit if you have 64-bit, or if you have 32-bit, select the next folder, and from here select the InterGUI, and from here you will be able to change the value in angle snapping, and you will be able to use angle snapping feature on Windows. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.